Welcome back to the Mid-Year YouTube channel. Today's episode, we're finishing up the doors in the Scalped Split. We're installing the inner structure, fiberglassing it, and riveting it all together to make them one piece again. So be sure to stick around. I have the fiberglass riveted to the steel structure, so now I just need to blend all the fiberglass together. So I have some 4-inch wide fiberglass tape that I'm going to put along the whole edge, but first I need to prep all the surface. There's a little crack down here that I need to address. I just need to scuff all of this area up, make it all blend together real nice. Fiberglass this whole area in. Once that cures up, we'll fiberglass the inside a little bit, sand everything, and it'll be good as new. And we'll do that on both doors. I fiberglassed the door shell back together, and I used a little bit of fiberglass resin dye in it to tint it, to get it a little closer to the white or the ivory color. I just added a couple capfuls of the dye, and it made a pretty good difference. It looked pretty good. It sanded out nice. I just have a little more blending to do, trim out some of these openings here, and I think these doors are about done for right now and pretty much ready to go back on the car. I need to pull the fiberglass off of the top of this door to start fixing all of this rust. I'm probably gonna have to make a new piece for most of this pillar. So I did a lot of work on this door. I removed this old rusty piece, which was completely gone, replaced it with a brand new piece of metal, blended it all in real nice, got it around this corner. I also added this piece in here. This was completely rotten out and these tabs were gone, so this piece was just free floating in space. Got that attached, and then the last piece I welded in was this piece in here, which this one blended in nice. You can hardly even tell that I did any repairs. So that finished all this off. So now this door is nice and strong, and it can go back and cap it in with fiberglass again and blend it together, and you won't even know I was in here. But this area here is an area where this piece of fiberglass would cover, and this is kind of open to the elements. The way it laps is that this bottom piece sticks up, so dirt and debris and stuff piles in here. This side wasn't as bad, but the passenger side was really bad. What it'll do is rust these two pieces out. They'll swell, and then it'll warp. This was supposed to be flat. It'll warp this piece of fiberglass. So that is not what you want whenever you restore a car. So if you ever see your door kind of bowing on your coupe here, this is what's going on underneath. So once this cools off, I'll go in here, clean this up, grind the welds down, paint it, and then I'll go and you could, potentially put this piece back in here, but this one's pretty flat. The other one is very warped, so I won't use any of this. I'll just end up hand laying fiberglass in this area and sanding it. I think the repair will just go a little bit better. So I'll fiberglass these up and then put the top of the door back together and then call this door a wrap, and then it's just on to purely fiberglass in this thing. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're jumping into fiberglass work on this thing now. Going to start working on the rear deck, the roof skin, getting everything finished up there and looking like a split window. So I got a lot of work to do, and I'll catch you guys later.